Anyways, before I get flagged again, YouTube ain't gonna be getting all freebies off of me this week. Like I said earlier, shouts out to High again, because you know they out here doing their thing anyway. Let me close that tab, get back on task, because I'm trying to get up out of here. Because it's been an hour and 11 minutes. This blunt's smoking good now. Then it tries to go out. See, now you got me lying. Anyways, I about killed that lighter. That mother took a couple strikes. You know, that's not a good sign on the big. Motherfuckers been smoking. What you been doing? You watching me, so hopefully you're doing good. Because, hell, a lot of people that watch me are doing good. Apparently, hell. We done been through pages on here, and you see all good subscriber counts on people who watch me, so shouts out to being verifiable. Yes, sir. Check your references, because I got mine. Uh, it's a great day in my world, too. Shit, it's always another day in paradise for me. Because then when I see this type of shit, that's what make you know, hey, we out here doing some things. We networking with some good people. Not saying that if you got a small subscriber count, you ain't good people, but you know how I'm saying about networking on YouTube. The quitters ain't gonna have nothing, anyways. But hell, it's probably a couple people in here who quit doing their YouTube that still watch me, though. So, hell, it's good, all to the good, because they'll get free promotion out for me just for being in the list. You'll be like, man, all these people subscribe to him and they got X amount of subs, and he's not lying about these people being subscribed because this is YouTube showing you who's a known creator that's subscribed. It's their analytics. Hey, who he got in his pocket? Well, damn, he got some people, man. If he reach out to him and get them to share the right video, he gone. He gone. He putting on. You can't stop him because he's already thrown. The motherfucking anchor. 2.3K. Then we got DFG. Shouts out to Devo. There's that Devo's TV. Devo coming up too. So, shouts out to him and Upstate. They doing their thing anyways. They mostly on Rumble these days, but you can still catch them on YouTube. They probably hitting the studio and using both apps. Yeah, we got a nice ass list of subscribers. Shout out to Heather. She's almost at 2K. Yeah. Yeah, I know how that be. She's like, I'm trying to hit 2K. She's almost there. Shout out to Heather. Y'all know she be doing her thing. Specs Appeals right there also. Heather's been a subscriber since August 12th, 2022. So let's see. Coming up, she's already hit 2 years. 2024. Yeah. Shout out to Heather, been rocking with your boy for 2 years. Appreciate that. Let's see. Moon over Miami, February 6, 2022. He's got almost 2K subs. Hillbilly Chicken Ranch. See, these is most of my fuck wittables right here that we getting into. I see him. 755 Media. Yeah, let's see. November 18th, 2022. She been rocking for 2 years. So what I'm saying, we got some supporters out here in this piece. Shouts out to y'all. I appreciate all of that.